I will need a big backyard to grow my own vegetables, and how do I achieve this after retirement? You see, this is one of the biggest beliefs I hear from retirees. Many people think growing food requires a big garden, lots of land, and years of gardening experience. So if they live in a condo, in an apartment, or a small home, they assume it's not just possible. But the truth is, many vegetables actually grow extremely well in containers. In fact, some plants grow better in containers than in the ground because you have more control over soil quality, watering, and sunlight placement. That means a small balcony or a small backyard or sunny corner can still produce fresh vegetables. Some of the easier vegetables that grow well in containers are lettuce, herbs, cherry tomatoes, and peppers. All of these can grow successfully in small pots or containers. You don't need a large garden at all. I've seen retirees start with just a few containers on a balcony, and within a couple of months, they are harvesting fresh lettuce and herbs regularly. For many of them, it becomes one of their favorite parts of the day, checking on their plants each morning, keeping them active and healthy. The key is choosing the right vegetables and the right container size. That's where most beginners accidentally make things harder for themselves. So if you are a retiree, who thought you needed a balcony or a backyard to grow food, comment balcony or backyard, and I'll share a few vegetables that grow easily in small spaces with you. Thank you.